Okay, so we'll be presenting application of green technology in industrial waste management. Next slide.
Okay.
Okay, so what is green technology? Green technology is a technology or application developed to minimize the negative effects of harmful human activities. Whatever tools, products, and systems that able to reduce the degradation of environment quality, low or zero greenhouse gas emission, energy and natural resources saving, use of renewable resources, and safe to the environment are considered as green technology.
Okay.
Through green technology, the negative impact toward the environment can be minimized and the conservation process can be done in a more effective manner. Next slide. Okay, so the development of green technology. The National Green Technology Policy (NGTP), which was launched in 2009, recognized green technology as a driver to accelerate the national economy and promote sustainable development. It has paved the way for wider utilization of green technology in various sectors in Malaysia. Community awareness toward environmental pollution and climate change has sped up to efforts in producing and utilizing green technology while sustainably managing resources. So Malaysia Green Technology and Climate Change Centre, which also known as Green Tech Malaysia, is a government agency responsible for initiating various economic sectors in Malaysia. The usage of green technology is not solely limited to the industrial sector, but is very broad across various aspects of life. In applications involving manufacturing of products or services, the use of technology with environmentally friendly approaches is adopted starting from the utilization and management of resources to waste management. Next slide. Okay, so there are 6 examples of the sectors that green technology is used in Malaysia. So the first one is energy supply. Renewable energy such as solar, hydro, geothermal, and wind. So this is like renewable energy. As example, solar that is mostly commonly used in houses. So solar use like for example, solar use sunlight. For the wind, I think we all already seen in our textbook the windbreaker, what was it called? And hydro was water, mostly used in apa empangan.
Dam.
Yes. Next is
Tadi
transportation.
yang wind tu dia panggil windmill.
Windmill, sorry. Okay, next is transportation, which is vehicle using alternative fuels. So it's either using electrics, just like Tesla before, and also there are also biofuels that doesn't harm the environment, which normally there are also usage of hydrogens.
You can put a sample of picture for each category, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, then next is buildings. The use of environmental friendly building materials and energy saving buildings. So it's just using friendly building materials and energy saving buildings, mean like energy saving using renewable energy for the building powers. So next is waste and water management. Recycling and landfill leachate treatment method will be in the next slides. So next is agriculture and forestry, use of compost and forest preservation. So just like having forest preservation, there's a lot of place in Malaysia that preserve the forest. And use of compost is just composing different type of waste such as food waste in our house. So lastly is the industry, use of energy efficient tools and technology. Just this is just mean that industry like perkilangan need to use uh, alat yang tidak akan uh, mencemarkan environment, because kalau kita lihat kilang sekarang banyak mengeluarkan asap-asap yang tak elok and wastewater. So industry should use more uh, energy efficient tools and technology. Okay, that's all. I will pass it to Fatihah.
Okay. Okay, move to waste management
Yes.
wastewater. Okay, terus.
Okay, so what is waste management? Waste management includes the activities and actions required to manage waste from its inception or to its final disposal. This includes the collection, transport, treatment, and disposal of waste. Okay, next. Okay, the green technology is utilized in waste and wastewater management with the aim to ensuring more efficient waste management, reduction in greenhouse gases emission, removal of cleaner wastewater. Okay, next. Okay, so this is one of the way how to manage the waste management using the green technology method. First, we use the 3R method yang kita dah belajar daripada sekolah rendah lagi.
Wow.
Okay, so 3R. 3R is recycle. Recycle means the process of converting waste material into new material and object. So recycle ni adalah proses di mana dia convert barang-barang yang dah terbuang tu membentuk menjadi barang-barang yang baru. Okay, so reuse. Reuse is the action of using an item whether for its original purpose or to fulfill a different function. Okay, so reuse ni adalah dia macam perbuatan nak guna barang tu balik, sama ada gunakan dengan tujuan yang asal ataupun nak berbentuk menjadi barang lain. Okay, so reduce. Reduce is the process to make a smaller or less in amount or size. Reduce ni proses untuk mengurangkan atau mengecilkan sesuatu bahan tu dalam bilangan ataupun saiz. Okay, next. Okay, solid waste management. Okay, this is 3R method tu. Mana kita akan mengasingkan bahan-bahan seperti kertas, kaca, organik dan plastik. Bahan-bahan organik tu dia akan dijadikan sebagai baju kompos Manakala 3 bahan lagi tu dia akan dihantar ke kilang recycle yang akan membentuk menjadi bahan-bahan yang baru. Jadi di sini kita dapat mengurangkan pembaziran dan pencemaran daripada berlaku. Okay, next. Okay, saya akan serahkan kepada Hana Sofia.
Okay, next we talk about wastewater management. So what is wastewater management? Wastewater is a liquid waste that consists of human waste, food waste, oil and chemical. So there are 3 types of wastewater. First is domestic wastewater. Domestic wastewater is wastewater from our homes, include water from toilets, sinks, bathroom, dishwaters, and washing machine. Next is stormwater runoff. It is rainfall that flows over the ground surface like on roads, driveways, parking lots, rooftops, and other path surface that do not allow water to soak into the ground. The next is industrial wastewater. Industrial wastewater is from the factory that contain acrylonitrile, methylbenzene, toluene, and heavy metals such as arsenic, mercury, and lead. So next we're gonna to see how wastewater treatment is processed. We use landfill leachate treatment method by using electrolysis principle known as electrocoagulation process are used to treat wastewater.
Okay.
And here I just want to give you further information that that's not contained in a textbook. So I just want to explain how the wastewater process occur. First, the wastewater is pumped from homes, hotels, factories, and other to a sewage treatment plant where wastewater is treated. The next process is the sewage being sent through grid or vertical bars that can be removed large solid substance like metal cans, paper, and plastic material. So the fluid will flow to coagulation process where carbon or copper electrode are used while wastewater is the electrolyte. Next, solid and wastewater settling process. At this process, the solid waste like phases are allowed to settle down. You can see this picture where the bottom is like solid waste like phases, and the top is called scum that contain oil, grease, and soaps. So the slab we remove to the sun drying bag. Dry slab which can be used as fertilizer or compost. The clarified water then removed to further treatment wastewater where biological or organic wastewater are removed. At here, the clarified water is transferring into an aeration tank where air blows bubbles air. It helps the bacteria to grow and feed on the organic contaminants such as food waste, feces, and other organisms. In the tertiary treatment process, the leftover wastewater is treated with chlorine to remove bacteria. Chlorine tablets are added to kill the germ. This process is called chlorinification. Then this water is let off into water bodies. Next, I will pass to Inshira.
Okay. Next, we will talk about the importance of green technology in life. Green technology has trailblazed a new chapter in the field of technology with more environmentally friendly approach without neglecting the original purpose of technology. So, what is the goal of green technology and what is the importance of green technology? Next slide, please. So the goal why humans create green technology is to protect our environment and also repair past damage. Next. Next slide. Okay, so the first importance of green technology is because green technology can promise us a cleaner source of energy. So when we use cleaner source of energy, we can save environment from pollution and also helps reduce business carbon footprint. If you don't know, carbon footprint is a measure of the impact your activities have on the amount of carbon dioxide produced through the burning of fossil fuels and is expressed as a rate of carbon dioxide emissions produced in tons. Second, the importance of green technology is more effective waste management. If we can see, waste management that humans do without using green technology is very improper and cause a lot of problems because of the unscientific treatment and also improper collection of waste. So when we don't collect waste properly, it can lead to pollution such as water pollution, soil pollution, air pollution that can cause human damage, harm towards animal and marine life, and also extreme weather change and so on. Third, we have improving standards of living. Standards of living is like the material well-being of the average person in a given community. So, with the help of green technology, we can live in more healthy environment, and so that's why we need to keep on improving our technology. Next, we have spearheading innovation. Spearheading is like leading. Like we think green technology as a spearheader so that we can create more advantageous technology to save our earth. Um, Last but not least, green technology also can mitigate global warming. Means it can make global warming less bad. Because yeah, we use cleaner source of energy and we also can reduce the pollutants content. So that is all from our group. Thank you.